In the heart of the Atlantic lies a stretch of ocean feared by all who sail its waters. A place where ships vanish without distress calls and aircraft fade from the skies. Between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this is the Bermuda Triangle. Tonight, we journey beyond the horizon, into the world's greatest mystery. It always begins the same way: calm seas, clear skies. And then, the ocean changes. December 5th, 1945. 5 Navy bombers depart Fort Lauderdale for a routine mission. They were never seen again. Their instruments fail. The sea below glows like white fire. A pilot's last words echo through history. Everything looks strange. We can't tell which way is west. A rescue plane is sent, but it too disappears. 27 men gone, as if swallowed by the sky. The USS Cyclops, a Navy ship carrying 300 men, vanished without a trace. No SOS, no wreckage. The largest loss of life in US naval history. Some believe it sank. Others say it was taken by something beneath the ocean. Only a mile from shore, 2 men vanished in calm waters. No debris, no sound. Just empty waves. 32 souls lost. Perfect weather. No explanation. It's as if the sky itself swallowed them. Experts blame nature. Magnetic anomalies, methane eruptions, rogue waves. But none can explain the silence. No wreckage, no survivors. The triangle sits over one of Earth's strangest magnetic zones, where north and south lose meaning, and reality itself bends. In recent years, divers claim to have seen colossal crystal structures below the triangle. Are they natural, or something not of this Earth? Some call it nature's revenge. Rogue waves appearing from nowhere, taller than buildings, crushing everything in their path. Others speak of time warps, portals between worlds, bending space and swallowing reality. Science calls it impossible. The ocean calls it home. Today, satellites scan, submarines dive, and technology searches. But the Bermuda Triangle still whispers, "Not yet." Perhaps it's nature. Perhaps something beyond imagination. The Bermuda Triangle reminds us, even now, some mysteries refuse to die.